Kickoff Credit Review 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. Most people get credit building wrong by thinking they need a credit card. Kickoff takes a different approach, and in 2025 it's gaining traction. Kickoff offers a credit building line without traditional spending. You make small monthly payments that are reported to major credit bureaus, helping establish payment history. The surprising truth is simplicity. There is no interest, no hard credit check, and no risk of overspending. This makes Kickoff ideal for beginners or those recovering from past mistakes. You won't believe what happens next when consistent payments start reflecting positively on your credit report within months. However, Kickoff does not offer rewards, cash access, or real purchasing power. It's purely a credit building tool, not a daily use account. In conclusion, Kickoff is best used as a foundation. If your goal is to improve credit safely and predictably, it remains a strong option in 2025.